Finally, it's fun to confess.
It really bothers me when people mess with the altitude I have of my chapstick sticking up out of the plastic, because I crank it so there's just a tiny bit, and it's like this nice sharp cornered ridge going on my lips, and then I hand it to someone and I say, do you want some? Because I don't mind sharing my chapstick at all, and I mean, I'm just not uptight about that. People like this one cranks it up so it's like sticking out like an inch, and then like mauls their face with it, and then it's all bruised and broken, and I have to crank it back down, and it's like no longer in its pristine, smooth, flat state.
What about lipstick? How do you have your lipstick? Do you have a specific angle to it? Like
Very low,
my
a
mom's
little bit angled.
My mom's is
curve,
like
the old lady curve. I wear mine down pretty evenly.
Yeah, me
I like
too.
it to be sort of flat, and I just do a little bit, and then I use my finger. So I always do chapstick first, or Carmex, and then lipstick, and I just kind of rub the color in with my finger, and then I wipe it off in my palm.
Now it's your turn. What's your beauty confession? Visit www.realself.com/confess.